A Patek Philippe Nautilus bought 5 years ago returned 20% annually. Your stock portfolio? 8%. Here's the playbook. Hey, welcome back to lIHITRO Bank. My name is Adam. Imagine this. 5 years ago, someone bought a Patek Philippe Nautilus. Today, that watch returned 20% annually. Your stock portfolio? 8%. Yeah, luxury watches are beating the stock market, and nobody's talking about it. The richest investors aren't just buying stocks anymore. They're wearing their investments. And before you think this is only for millionaires, I'm showing you how regular people can play this game too. Let's talk about the big three: Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Audemars Piguet. Since August 2018, pre-owned watches from these brands delivered 20% annual returns. The S&P 500? Only 8%. That's more than double. Here's what's crazy. A Patek Philippe Aquanaut 5267 has a 93% markup over retail. Retail is $27,000. Secondary market? $51,000. That's $24,000 in profit just for buying one at retail. But most people can't even get on the wait list. Want to see how insane this gets? A vintage Patek Philippe 1518 in stainless steel just sold for $17.6 million in November 2025. Million, with an M, only 4 exist in stainless steel. This was manufactured in 1943. Now it's worth more than entire neighborhoods. Why are these appreciating like crazy? Scarcity, prestige, and demand. Rolex makes about 1 million watches yearly, but demand is way higher. When supply is limited and demand grows, prices explode. Now, 2026 is getting interesting. Rolex just raised prices by 7% average. Gold models? 8 to 9%. The white gold Daytona jumped from $51,800 to $56,400. That's $5,000 more in 1 year. The GMT Master 2 Batman went from $11,100 to $11,800. Why? Gold prices skyrocketed 27% in 2024. There's a 15% tariff on Swiss watches now. Weaker US dollar against Swiss franc. All this means higher prices. But here's the magic. When retail prices go up, secondary market follows. Your Submariner from 2 years ago just became more valuable because new ones cost more. People who can't buy retail will pay more on secondary market. What are rich people buying? Patek Philippe Nautilus. Some trade for 3 to 4 times retail. Audemars Piguet Royal Oak 15202 appreciated 65% over 5 years. Rolex Daytona steel versions trade well above retail immediately. Price range? $50,000 to $200,000. Don't have 50 grand? Here's the secret. Pre-owned Rolex date just starts around $11,000. Still expensive, but way more accessible. These hold value incredibly well. Tudor is another option. Owned by Rolex and celebrating its 100th anniversary in 2026. Tudor ranges $5,000 to $8,000, and they're appreciating too. Here's what makes watches different from stocks. You actually wear them. Try wearing Apple stock to a meeting. Doesn't work. But a Rolex Submariner opens doors, signals success, and appreciates why you enjoy it. The wealthy understand something crucial. Assets providing both utility and appreciation are rare. Real estate does this. You live in it while it appreciates. Luxury watches are the same. Wear them, enjoy them, they appreciate. Best of both worlds. 2026 is huge for the Nautilus, turning 50 years old. Designed by Gerald Genta in 1976. For the 40th anniversary, Patek released platinum versions that became instant collectibles. What's coming for the 50th? Nobody knows, but collectors are speculating. Whatever it is, if you get one at retail, you're looking at immediate profit. Audemars Piguet watches showed 65% value increase over 5 years. That outperforms luxury goods company stocks. The watches appreciate faster than the companies themselves. Wild. Smart money is buying now before 2026 price increases fully hit secondary market. When Rolex raises retail in January, secondary adjusts over months. Buy now on pre-owned market before sellers adjust prices. It's about timing. Warning though, not every luxury watch appreciates. Brands matter. Models matter. Random luxury brands outside the big three? Maybe not. Do research. Check watch charts for price trends. See which models consistently rise. Condition matters hugely. Original parts, box, and papers are worth way more. The community calls this a full set. Always get full sets for investment. Watch for counterfeits. 40 million fakes enter the market yearly. Some super fakes fool even experts. Only buy from reputable dealers. Get authentication. Check serial numbers. Don't risk it. Bottom line, luxury watches from the big three delivered 20% annual returns over 5 years. Beats the stock market. Prices rising in 2026 due to gold costs and tariffs. Nautilus turns 50. Rich investors buy 50,000 to 200,000 range. Regular people start with pre-owned date just around 11,000 or 2 to 5 to 8,000. This rewards patience and research. Buy iconic models from prestigious brands. Keep documentation. Think long-term. These are wearable assets that appreciate while you enjoy them. Hit that subscribe button. I'm breaking down wealth strategies that actually work. Next week, alternative investments most people don't know exist. Subscribe now. Thanks for watching.